got RIs that walk. On average, we have 4 RIs that walk with a platoon at one given time. The weapons squad leader, evaluator, normally the point man, where he's kind of a little ahead of the platoon in the hunting season, and we kind of keep an eye out. We also have a control, a CP vehicle, command vehicle that's driving around, kind of.
Sorry.
Yeah, this.
Hey.
That's mine. That's set up with the actual stuff.
This is
Actual backup.
M4 mounted with an ACOG 4x32.
That T1 is
Shoot very nice. It can be bad with close quarter, but it's extremely accurate with the long shots. Okay, very nice system. Shoot very smooth. Okay, thank you very much. This is excellent system.